So now another great way to earn some extra money from your views that are coming into your videos is actually setting up your own online store where you sell your own product. Now it could either be a product that you own physically where you actually have to ship them out and create them yourself, or you can drop ship it from AliExpress. Now you can definitely do this if you love setting up your own website, if you love selling your own product, then this is definitely something that you could benefit from. But in general, uh, it is going to be a little bit more work when it comes to actually setting up the store, which is actually not the biggest part, but actually dealing with customers, returns, complaints, and there's a lot of issues that could arise when it's actually your website in your store. That's why what I would normally recommend is to just do affiliate marketing when it comes to YouTube, but that's my take on it. If you want to go set up a Shopify store, or you already have a few Shopify stores and you just want to promote the hell out of them through your YouTube videos, by all means go do it because you will definitely benefit from it. But you got to make sure that the product that you're promoting obviously relates to your channel and relates to your niche. And this isn't a drop shipping or a Shopify course, but Shopify is a great website to set up and do it on. And then if you want to actually drop ship, then you probably already know about AliExpress. This is a dirt cheap website that comes from China. Some of the products may not be the best quality, but of course they also have higher quality products. And you can definitely upcharge the hell out of people if you make the landing page and the website look super professional, super trustable. Things are going to fly well. And obviously you can get there's a, Shopify has an website app called Oberlo, and you can actually connect it to AliExpress. And I think you can get actually a Chrome extension. And essentially what Oberlo does is that it imports products from AliExpress, including all the descriptions, the sizes, the variations, into your Shopify store, so it makes the entire Shopify store creation process 10 times easier. And it's definitely a great route to take. Now, I know there's other websites that you can use like Silk Road and some other websites that you can actually import some products from and dropship. But once again, this is not a dropshipping course. This is just a recommendation and just to address the topic of creating your own website to milk more profit.